So guys, this will work in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. So for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to click on this PC. And now you're going to find the drive that you're having a problem with. You can repeat this for all the drives that you have, it's up to you. So now you're going to find your drive, you're going to right click on it, and then click on Properties, and then click on Security, and then click on Edit, and then click on Add, and then click on Advanced, and then click on Find Now. You're going to scroll down till you find the Everyone. Here it is, you're going to click on Everyone. Now you're going to click on OK. Click on OK again. Now you're going to select Everyone, and then select Full Control, and then click on OK, and then click on Yes, Continue, 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 click on OK. Now you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.